Okay, so I'm coming to you guys bare face, crazy looking. This is where my bed is in my room, and I'm still doing the walls and stuff like that. And this is the wig. I just not just washed it. I washed it like 2 hours ago, and it's still kind of drying. The cap is dry, so I guess it's safe to install it. What I'm gonna do is, I do have a video pretty much on how to do it, like how I did it step by step. It was very detailed. I'm gonna leave the link or card somewhere on the screen for you guys to check it out. I'm also gonna try and include it in the description box. I hope I remember, so you guys can click on it and check that out. But I'm gonna kind of like just do it and not talk and just fast forward it for you guys. And I think I do want to kind of either straighten it or do like flat iron curls. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet until after I install it, so just bear with me with that. I have my wig cap on. So I thought my camera was filming, but it kind of stopped by itself. But what I did was I poked 2 holes in the stocking cap, and I just kind of spray, push it back. And the reason why I just kind of spray and like move it back is because I don't want it to drip on my face. So and I'll just kind of let it I'll just kind of let it I'll let it dry now. And you don't have to do this, but I'm just in a rush right now. I didn't realize it was so late and I have to go somewhere, so okay. So I'm gonna go and get a powder that kind of matches my skin tone to just apply on top of it so that I could blend in very well with my skin. So after it dried, I took this little powder I have and I'm just going on it, you know, kind of toning down the paleness, I guess I would call this pale part of it, like this. And taking my little scissors, moving closer, I'm gonna cut. That feels so good because it was so tight. My cat is just staring at me down here. Okay, so these are not really what do you call it? Sharp. I hate doing the ball cap method just because I be feeling like I'm about to cut myself, and I don't like that. Oh, that was a lot. Oh my god. Okay, so next I'm taking my little Gatsby gel. It's already 4:35. At 5 o'clock I have to start my homework. I said homework, oh my god. I have to start my makeup. Jesus Christ. Wow, I would not look cute bald. I don't think being bald is for me. So again, and you know I always have to show you that lace. Like, okay. Look at this. Like, okay. Look at this lace. Like, honey, I can't. WIGENCOUNTERS like always like I always get so excited when I receive their stuff, you know? Like when I'm always so excited like with those wigs. Okay, that HD lace is something, okay? I'm putting it on right now. To do this, I'm just kind of combing back everything. And I kind of feel like this is awesome. Where is everything? Like, I feel like I had everything on the bed. I had everything on the bed until it was time to get everything. I don't know when. Okay, so when it gets white like that, it's easily fixable. It's just that I use too much glue. But from this side right here, I didn't even cut. You guys couldn't even tell I didn't cut this side yet. You guys couldn't tell, could you? No. So I cut this side, cut right here, and I'll cut the rest. And so I finished cutting all the lace, and now I'm taking some wet, like a wet napkin. If you guys have alcohol, that can work fine too. So we're gonna do the baby hairs. And I'm just kind of combing everything front so that it doesn't like, still kind of wet, but it's okay. I want to do my baby hairs first and then So did my baby hairs again. I'm gonna leave this on my head and do my makeup, and then